Hey everyone, it's Nini here and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, my hair is severely dry and it's time for me to wash my hair. So what I do is I always assess my scalp to see what I need, and it looks like I don't have that much product buildup. So my scalp is just super itchy and dry, so I'm going to be co-washing my hair. So to co-wash my hair, I'm using the new Camille Rose Cleansing Milk. This one I have is the Rose Cleansing Milk for definition. And this is the Neroli Blossom for elongation. And here I'm just determining which one I want to use. So I don't really need definition, but I would love for my hair to be elongated, so we're going to be using the Neroli Blossom for elongation. So this is what the product looks like. As soon as I poured it into my hand, it was super creamy and milky in texture, and it was very smooth and very lightweight. So I'm taking about this much and I'm going to rub it directly into my hands first. It does say to place it gently directly onto your scalp and massage it with your fingers and then bring it down the length of your hair, which is what I'm doing here in this clip. As soon as I placed it on my scalp, like the itchiness went away. I felt that my scalp was getting clean. And did I tell you the smell? Oh my God, it smells so fresh and sweet, and I think I can smell a little bit of the orange in there. Maybe it's just me. Here I'm just placing it directly onto my hair and massaging gently into my scalp and just rubbing it down the length of my hair, and my hair felt really good with this. So these cleansing milks are vegan milk infused, and this particular one is infused with cashew nut milk and also contains nectars of olive and neroli orange blossoms. And this states that it's supposed to leave your hair pure, smooth, and sweet smelling, which I definitely agree with all three claims. So basically what the cleansing milk is just a co-wash. If you guys have ever used a co-wash before, then of course you know it's just a cleansing conditioner that can also remove product buildup. So it doesn't leave your hair stripped like a sulfate cleanser or even a shampoo would. So it just basically rejuvenates your hair, cleans your scalp, and also moisturizes your curls. So here I'm just going to work that in, and I'm going to work on the rest of my sections. So once I'm done with all 4 sections, I do like to combine my hair as a whole and to make sure I gently massage my scalp and make sure I didn't miss any part of my scalp, and to also make sure I didn't miss any of my hair strands. Here you can see how defined my curls are. So here I'm just rinsing the product out of my hair, and guys, when I tell you, my hair felt super smooth. It felt really soft, and I could really feel that my scalp was really clean. So after rinsing out the product, this is what my hair looked like. My hair was defined and super soft. And even looking at my scalp, it was also very super clean. There was no leftover product buildup and no oil stuck in my hair, and my scalp was no longer itchy and dry, and my hair was super moisturized. Okay, so now I'm just sectioning my hair off again so that I can get ready to deep condition my hair. And yes, I do not ever skip this step, no matter if I'm co-washing or actually shampooing my hair. I deep condition because it has become a staple in my life and part of my hair routine, and I just like to have an extra barrier of moisture in my hair. The deep conditioner I'm using today is the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask from Camille Rose. I am so in love with this deep conditioner because it is super thick. It is super moisturizing and smooth, and it just provides just so much moisture into my hair. My hair just basically eats it up. You'll be able to see all of the residue go away, and that's letting you know that my hair is soaking up all of the product. And it just clumps up my curls, and it's just bomb, y'all. Like, if you've never tried this deep conditioner, then please do so. All of Camille Rose's products are super bomb. And look at that hang time. So here I'm just twisting my hair back up so I can work on the other 3 sections. And this is what I'm talking about. This conditioner is so bomb that it just clumps up my curls, and you can see that it provides so much slip where I can just run my fingers through it. I just love it. So all 4 sections are done, and now it's just time to place a plastic cap on my hair for extra deep conditioning. And today I'm just going to stay in the shower and wash my body off. I don't feel like going, to sit under a hot dryer, so I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm done with my shower, so I'm just going to take off the plastic cap and unravel my twist. So this is how my curls look. They were super defined, super soft and smooth, and very moisturized. This deep conditioner is bomb AF. So here I'm just rinsing out the deep conditioner just to make sure I don't leave any excess product into my hair. And after the deep conditioner is rinsed out, this is what my hair looks like. You guys see how shiny my hair is, and my curls are just brought back to life. Like, they're bouncy, they have so much movement, and this was a bomb wash day. So I definitely enjoyed the cleansing milks, and I hope you guys also try them out as well. If you liked today's video, then hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!